The Facebook custom audience feature, it allows you to create marketing lists, right? It allows you to create a marketing list from information that you already have on hand. So for example, using a custom audience, you can upload your database from your CRM, your contact list from your CRM, and you can upload that to Facebook audiences and create a custom audience to be able to place advertisements in front of them. Not just your contact list, though. You can also create an audience based on people who engage with your Facebook business page, people who watch videos, and even people who engage with you on your Instagram business account, right? So you can create an audience of people based on those who are interacting with us on Facebook. Now, immediately you can start to see the value of running a campaign to people who are engaging with us, whether it's people in our contact list, they could be clients, they could be prospects, or people who are engaging with our social media accounts. All of a sudden you see, well, these are people, they're more likely to see the messages and information that we have as being relevant. Heck, they might even know us, right? There's a good chance they even know us. And that is the person or people that constitute the right audience and the people we want to put our information in front of. Another feature that custom audiences allow you to do is to be able to build a marketing list of people who visit your website. Now, this does require the Facebook Pixel to be installed, which we're going to cover at the end of today's training. But imagine that, being able to say, somebody visited my website, or even a certain section of my website, and now I can place advertisements in front of them. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're running a just listed campaign for a listing that you have, or maybe an open house campaign for an open house. And you want to be able to market to people who checked out that listing, right? So you could do follow-up marketing if they viewed the landing page for that listing or any of the listings on your website, for example. You can put additional ads to get them to come back to your website or to engage you even at a higher level. Maybe they viewed the listing, but they weren't ready to give you any contact information. So you can invite them back to your website, build more trust, and then make additional offers of help, which then that converts them into what we would call a qualified lead.